Good morning, children. Before we have seen about the state executive, powers and functions of the governor and chief minister. Today we are going to see the legislature. Already I have told that legislature, that is what are all the rules laying, making laws is called as legislature. In India, the state legislature consists of the government and one or two houses. Upper house is called legislative council and the lower house is called legislative assembly. First, we will see how members of the legislative councils are elected. The constitution provides that the total strength of the legislative council must not be less than 40 and not more than one third of total strength of the legislative assembly. இப்போ லெஜிஸ்லேட்டிவ் அசம்பிளியில் இருக்கிற மெம்பரில் ஒன் தேர்டுனா இருக்கணும் லெஜிஸ்லேட்டிவ் கவுன்சிலில் உள்ள மெம்பர்ஸ். ஓகே, அதில் ஒன் தேர்ட் ஆஃப் இட்ஸ் மெம்பர்ஸ் ஆர் எலெக்டட் பை த லோக்கல் கவர்மெண்ட். அனதர் ஒன் தேர்ட் வந்து பை த மெம்பர்ஸ் ஆஃப் லெஜிஸ்லேட்டிவ் அசம்பிளி. அதில் 1/12 is elected by the graduates of constituency and another 1/12 by teachers, colleges and university. 1/6 of the members of the legislative council are nominated by the governor of the state. Okay. Now, what about their position we will see. It is a permanent house. Legislative council is a permanent house. Members are elected for a period of 6 years. அதே மாதிரி அந்த he must be a citizen of India and should have completed 30 years of age. இப்போ member of a legislative council இருக்குன்னா he must be a citizen of India. He must have completed 30 years of age. ஓகேவா? Next, he cannot be member of the legislative assembly. Now we'll see legislative assembly. People who make the laws of a state government are called members of legislative assembly, that is MLA. They are chosen from different constituency. You would have heard about this election lala. MLA constituency na togudi. Each constituency they will represent a person, candidate. For the election, the entire state is divided into different constituency. It is called as legislative constituency. One constituency may have 1 lakh or even more people. Election to the assembly, different political parties compete in the election to the legislative assembly. Parties nominate the candidates from each constituency. அப்போ those who contest in the election and the candidates, he must be at least 25 years of age completed. One person can stand for election in more than one constituency at the same time. Next, independent candidates along with இப்போ political party இல்லைன்னா even independent candidates, individual candidates also can participate. Independent candidate, every party has its own symbol. Independent candidates are also given election symbol. The members of legislative assembly is directly elected by the people. According to the constitution, a legislative assembly cannot have more than 500 members and not less than 60 members. Some seats in the legislative assembly are reserved for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. The meeting of assembly are presided by speaker. Speakerனா சபாநாயகர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அவர் முன்னிலையில் தான் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, legislative assembly கூடும். And in his absence, deputy speaker conducts its meeting. State council of minister, இப்போ leader of majority party தான் chief minister. அவருக்கு assist பண்ணுறது with the help of the governor, advice of chief minister, they will elect some ministers, council of ministers. இவங்க தான் என்ன பண்ண work of the state government. Chief minister chooses minister from MLAs of his party. Ministers for various departments headed by the chief minister is called the state government. So it is said that the party which got majority seat in the election forms a government. Work of the state government. After being elected to the legislative assembly, they are expected to regularly participate in the sitting. The legislative assembly meets two or three times a year. மெயின் ஃபங்க்ஷன் டு மேக் லாஸ் ஃபார் த ஸ்டேட். ஸ்டேட்டுக்கு என்னென்ன சட்டங்கள்லாம் போடணும்னு சொல்கிறது அவங்களோட வேலை தான். ஓகே, த அசம்பிளி ஹேஸ் control over the state council of ministers. They are responsible or answerable to the assembly for its activity. After that, the assembly also take part in the amendment of the constitution. What do you mean by amendment? Amendment means changes that happens in the constitution. They can also take part. So the government has three basic functions. What are they? Making laws, executing laws, ensure justice. So, such kinds of rules and laws have been made for all people of our country. For example, marrying before the age of 18 years old for women, and men cannot marry before the age of 21 years. They have put a rule. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி அவங்க கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கிட்டாங்கன்னா என்னது, அது சட்டத்தில் இல்லை. நம்ம ஸ்டேட்டில் இப்படி தான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும்னு சொல்கிறோம். A lot of such laws are made by the state and central government. In not only for the people, they will discuss about the topics like public works, இப்போ laying the roads, education system, what they can change, all these they will sit and discuss. Then executing laws. It is a job of the State Council of Ministers to execute the law. The Assembly of Tamil Nadu is located at Chennai. State government has several lakhs of government employees to execute the laws made by the legislative assembly, collectors, tahsildars, block department officers, revenue officers, etc. Now, so we have seen executive and legislature. Now we are going to see judiciary of state. Judiciary means தர்மம், நேர்மை, நியாயம், அதெல்லாம் ஹை கோர்ட். இப்போ ஸ்டேட் அளவில் விச் இஸ் ஒர்க்கிங் அஸ் த ஜுடிஷியரி, ஜஸ்டிஸ் இது ஹை கோர்ட். த ஹை கோர்ட் ஸ்டாண்ட்ஸ் அட் த அபெக்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்டேட் ஜுடிஷியரி. ஆஸ் பர் த கான்ஸ்டியூஷன் தேர் ஷால் பி அ ஹை கோர்ட் இன் ஈச் ஸ்டேட். ஈச் ஸ்டேட்டில் எப்படி கவர்னர், சீஃப் மினிஸ்டர் மாதிரி they have a high court, subordinate courts for 2 or more states and union territories. அப்படி கூட மிக்ஸ்டாக இருக்கும். The state high court consists of chief justice and other judges as the president may appoint from time to time as necessary. Number of judges in the high court is not uniform or fixed. It won't be same. The president appoints the chief justice of high court in consultation with the chief justice of India and governor of state. He must be what are the qualification he need? He must be a citizen of India. He must have at least 10 years experience as an advocate in one or more high courts. அப்படி இருந்தால் தான் அவங்களுக்கு ஹை கோர்ட் ஜட்ஜாக கொடுப்பாங்க. The high court has been empowered to issue writs. Every high court has a general power of superintendency over all the low courts. If a case is pending before a subordinate court and high court is satisfied that it involves a substantial question of the constitutional law, it can take up the case and decide in itself. The high court controls all the subordinate courts in the state. Like the Supreme Court, the high court also acts as a court of record. So these are the work of the justice. இப்போ கவர்மெண்ட் ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட்டில் how it works we have seen. Thank you children.